Salut zusammen und herzlich willkommen zurück zu GTA5. Wir sind ja letztes Mal verloren worden von der ganzen Familie, also wir sind jetzt alleine mit dem Michael noch. Der Michael hat keine Familie mehr, böse gesagt. Und wir haben ja noch gesagt, wir machen in der nächsten Folge dann die Mission beim Dave. Also wir gehen jetzt zu den FIB-Gebäuden oder zum FIB-Gebäude und zum AAI oder AII-Gebäude. Die sind auch gerade da vorne, die zwei grossen Türme. Und ja, wir fahren jetzt gerade mal dorthin. So, also sind wir angekommen beim FIB-Gebäude und das andere heisst IAA. Okay, irgendwie so, keine Ahnung. So, also jetzt müssen wir hier noch zum Dave laufen. Dann schauen wir mal, was jetzt hier abgeht.
Hey, Michael.
David. Oh, isn't this nice? You didn't tell me we were double dating. Sorry, guys. This burning hunk of love is all mine.
Brilliant! Steve Haynes, amigo, but you probably knew that already.
Sorry, your name tag must have fallen off.
Oh, duh! I love it! I gotta remember to write that down. And to shoot you in your head, you annoying dick. Andres, taking notes? This stuff, whoa! Pure magic. I should put it on my show. Have you seen my show?
You mean how to dress like a salesman on a cheap golf weekend at a third-rate country club?
So, well done with our friend, Mr. K.
My pleasure. I love helping our government wage war, especially with itself.
But you made a mistake.
Did I, Cupcake?
Why don't you keep your fucking voice down before I close your fucking windpipe? The joke stop now, pal. You will show me and my team some respect.
Maybe you could define team for me. Is that just the three of you? Or the greater FIB? Or the entire government? Because I'm tempted to argue that thus far, we haven't shown a lot of your colleagues a whole lot of respect.
And why don't you start with me, genius?
You got it, pal.
We have received intel that they're keeping Mr. K at the local agency station.
I just dealt with that guy.
The agency is stepping up their questioning because of your moronic antics down at the coroner's office. We need to get him out of there before he blabs.
I did what Agent Norton said.
Then I guess you getting involved with a clapped-out old agent who's been living off of past glories was your first mistake. You are my boy now, amigo. My career depends on this, and that's very important to me. So seeing as we're all boys now, that makes it important to you. Now run along, kids. See, there you go, Dave. You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Come on.
So, gut, also. Dann gehen wir jetzt. Wir können nicht säckeln. Dann gehen wir mal zum Auto jetzt wieder.
Yeah, sure. Sounds nice and secluded. Kind of place you'd run an off-the-books operation, huh?
So what?
So I bet federal ain't on the deed, that's so. And we all like our federal government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Hey, I'm just a puppet. You're the one pulling the strings.
So, jetzt. Also. Mal schauen, wo wir her müssen. Die Mission kann ich mich jetzt nicht erinnern. Also ich weiss jetzt nicht gerade, welche Mission das ist. Jetzt schauen wir mal, jetzt gehen wir zu dem Treffpunkt. Schauen wir mal, was dort passiert.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's fixing up my car.
Call him, or we'll send some G-men to his aunt's house.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, this ain't the best time. I'm kinda busy.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before? It's happening. I need you to come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met before.
Alright, that's cool. I'm in LS anyway.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Oh, you're crazy. I ain't calling him.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking dumb.
Just worry about the plan, okay? Getting Mr. K out of the IAA station. Clinton is going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye on the proceedings. Phillips flies you in, you rappel down, make the extraction.
And I'm the best guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great. And you brought Trevor in.
Look out!
We're telling him
Gut,
all
also.
cozy with the F5B.
You'll need discreet support. We'll maintain control of the situation.
You know what? You better keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will. See you later.
Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? No, it's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you!
Hey, T, enough with the faux political bullshit. Franklin, come on, you better take off. Really.
Shit, I'm good. I ain't bailing.
Whoa. What, am I detecting some sort of, son I never had bullshit here, Mikey, huh? Hey, listen, if you want to replace some father figure, you can do a lot better than this fat snake, all right? This fucker would eat his own kids.
Like I said, Franklin, deranged.
Yeah, and best friend.
Exactly. That's Trevor, my best friend. That's Franklin, the son I always wanted. All right, guys, listen, this is the shot. I'm gonna do all the heavy lifting on this job, okay? Trevor, all I need you to do is fly me to the target. Franklin, you're gonna cover me from across the street. We're gonna make these assholes happy, and we're gonna walk away from this thing clean. Got it?
I got you.
All right? And we do this, and they help us spring Brad, right?
Yeah. We'll talk about Brad later, all right? I gotta change. You better grab a head start.
Nice to meet you, homie.
Yeah, whatever.
The government gimp at last.
Bite me.
Let's go.
All right, let's do this thing.
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown.
So, also jetzt weiss ich wieder, welche Mission das ist. Jetzt gehen wir dort den Typ schnappen.
Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta
Und ja, jetzt fliegen wir, glaube ich, wieder zurück zu dem FIB-Gebäude. Oder zu einem anderen Gebäude, ich weiss es gar nicht mehr richtig. Ich habe gemeint, kein FIB-Gebäude. Und dann müssen wir dort ja, da der Typ, der den Dave sucht, wie wir den kidnappen oder schnappen, oder wie man dem will sagen. Ah nein, es ist... ah, das ist das IAA-Gebäude. Muss ich da, was muss ich da machen? Landen? Ah, jetzt. So, also jetzt gehen wir da runter. Okay, jetzt macht er... Oh nein. Ich denke, er macht irgendetwas anderes noch.
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your tonsils will be playing shadow puppets. You think we can't do that? We can. It's in our guidelines.
I don't know what you're talking about. I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
You think you're impenetrable? See how you feel when this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's dry dock him. World thinks you... Who the fuck is this? Terminate him. Close this problem right now.
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief.
So, jetzt müssen wir zum Franklin switchen.
36 flow. Got it.
Oh, lad nachher. So, jetzt.
Seems clear, T. Hit the witch. Get us out.
This is unacceptable. Help! We got the sniper in the building. Don't traffic! Don't traffic!
Hey, we need to be clear of this building. There's guys shooting at you, Mikey. That's unfinished business. Clean it up. We'll move on.
Warte, das schnell.
Damn softy.
So.
Get us killed. You know that? That's it. Get us out of here.
Die Helis kommen aber hure schnell, ey.
You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
I thought I had the easy job.
Tschüss! Holy shit! Ah, jetzt hat's. Ist mal einer irgendwo? Ich glaub's nicht, hä? Aber ich kann jetzt auch glaub's, zum Ding wechseln und so schiessen, weil das geht wesentlich einfacher, glaube ich. Wie die Helikopter so schnell kaputt gehen von einem normalen MG, ey. Wo schießt der Rakete her? Trifft ihn nicht, hallo! Ah, jetzt. Jawohl, jetzt. Ja, jetzt habe ich ihn durch. Und jetzt kann ich noch zum Trevor wechseln, oder? Ja, genau.
Who are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
So, gut, dann haben wir das schon gemacht. Eine kurze Mission gewesen.
Make everything okay?
Put her down in the lot, Trevor.
Saubere Landung auch noch.
Let's go. Where are we? Hey, go easy on it.
Thank you. Oh, you saved me. Hey, hey. No, huh? No, 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 no.
Hey, hey, I said easy. Oh, come on, give the guy a break. I'm gonna get out of this shit.
Ha ha! In bed with the Bureau and a new running buddy.
Yeah, he's more of a protege.
Yeah, what, you gonna teach him to be old before his time?
Yeah, or to never grow up.
That seems like a good kid. Michael, look at this, huh? New city, new set of problems, but the idiots, they stay the same.
Yep, I guess. All right, Trevor, I'll see you later.
Oh, you better believe it, buddy.
Gut, also, dann haben wir die Mission gemacht. Trevor fliegt davon. Der fliegt jetzt da mit dem auf Sandy schon rauf und klaut ja dann. Oder behaltet einfach den Helikopter. Oh, Treffergenauigkeit nur 22%. War richtig schlecht, ey. Missionszeit anscheinend auch zu lang gewesen. Okay. Ja. Gut, das war es jedenfalls mit dieser Folge von GTA5. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, würde ich mich natürlich immer wieder über eine Bewertung freuen. Und sonst sehen wir uns dann einfach in der nächsten Folge wieder. Nächste Folge machen wir wahrscheinlich, denke ich mal, eine Mission mit dem Trevor, weil das T haben wir jetzt auch schon relativ lang. Aber wir haben jetzt, haben wir gesehen, auf der Minimap, wir haben dort auch jetzt ein neues SF. Also heißt, mit dem Franklin geht es jetzt demnächst auch wieder weiter. Und ja, wie gesagt, wir sehen uns in der nächsten Folge. Bis dahin, sage ich, macht's gut, schönes Tag und ciao.